Uy, Kuya J. Hello, Kuya J. Kailan mo naramdaman? Bossing Basic, what up? Uy, putik na. Aga naman, Kuya J. Uy, paldo ka siguro, no? Bossing J. Guys, bakit ganun? Bakit konting biro lang niya? Grabe ka naman ma-fall.
Napapangiti mo ako kahit laka namang ginagawa.
Kasi sabi ko sa'yo eh,
Parang di na
mabilis ka kasing bumigay. Kung meron man top 1 sa pinakamarupok. Boss, what's up, boss? Gagi, dito ako sa work ngayon. Lunch break ko lang. Hello, honey. Uy, thank you, Jaden, sa pag-sub. Dito ako sa trabaho ngayon. Pero alam nyo, siguro tinatrabaho na rin niya ngayon kung paano kanya mapapasagot, ano?
Napapangiti mo ako kahit laka namang ginagawa. Parang di na to nagkakatuwa. Nahuhulog na sa'yo.
Nakakahilo. Oy, thank you, B. Thank you, Bossing. Naka-follow ko nga. Hindi ako naka-follow na ba ako kay Bossing J? Bossing Jamila, hello. What's up, mga boss? Alam nyo, kapag gabi lang naman, minsan dapat sad yung content. Bakit ka masasad? Parang meron ka naman ng chance sa kanya.
Napapangiti mo ako kahit laka namang ginagawa.
Tumunog yung Viber ko. Wait lang po, lunchtime. Uy, thank you. Thank you, Wexshan. Salamat sa mga nag-gift. Uy, thank you, Bossing Jamila. Paldo. Thank you, Bossing Jamila. Salamat. Uy, thank you talaga, Bossing Jamila. Alam mo feeling ng di mo naman dapat. Uy, pal ko. Grabe mga pare ko. Alam mo yung... Tayo na, di natuloy banat ko. Thank you, pal ko. Miss you. Alam mo yung feeling na hindi ka naman dapat nangingiti ngayon pero pag naalala mo siya...
Napapangiti mo ako kahit laka namang ginagawa.
Thank you, Bossing J.
Parang di na to nagkakatuwa. Nahuhulog na sa'yo.
Thank you, boss. Pal ko. Gagi, masaya nga live ko ngayon eh. Ayaw nyo bang masaya live ko? Masaya live ko ngayon kasi feeling ko naman nagpapakipot lang yun sa'yo eh.
Napapangiti mo ako kahit laka namang ginagawa. Parang di na to nagkakatuwa. Nahuhulog na sa'yo.
Nagkaon ka na, love? Nasa work, opo. What's up, call me Jay?
Halata ba na
Ang init. Init, guys. Ang init. Okay na yun kaysa naman cold siya, di ba?
napapangiti mo ako kahit laka namang ginagawa.
Thank you, Stu. Ipa-overthink mo kami. Ba't naman i-overthink pareho naman na kayo nahuhulog sa isa't isa, wala namang ka-overthink doon.
Papangiti mo ako kahit wala ka namang ginagawa. Parang di na to nakakatuwa, nahuhulog na sa'yo.
Kuya, anong gagawin pag pinagsiselos ka niya? Humanap kang iba, boss? Relapse po. Putik na yan. Huwag tayo mag-relapse, boss. What was that? Hala. What was that daw, sabi ng kupal? Diba? Nakakonect ka sa speaker ko. Tangina. Tangina. Tangina, guys. Nakakonect daw ako sa speaker eh. Oh my God, thank you, Toji. What was that? Is that a rose?
Napapangiti mo ako kahit wala ka namang ginagawa.
Anong gagawin pag LDR kami? Wala, boss. What if, boss? Putik mo, what if ka dyan? Wala bang tropa kong Wala bang tropa kong naka-live ngayon? Thank you for the rose. Saglit na live lang to, sumilip lang ako. Wala bang tropa akong naka-live? Meron ba? Wala eh. Hello, Jess. Hello, Miss Jessa. Ano yan? Ay, hindi kami friends dito ni Tokyo eh. Anong quiz? Lunch break? Gusto nyo ng quiz? Huwag naman kayong ganun, lunch break. Gusto nyo magku-quiz kayo? Okay guys. Quiz tayo. Question? Bakit di ka pa rin umuusad? Tanghaling tapat. I miss you. Ramdam nyo pa pala yung init na yan. Nasa cold ng... Hello, Boss Kim! Tayo na ba't ba paling? Boss Kim, shoutout watching from Singapore. Hello, from Singapore. Tanghaling tapat, ako lang dapat. Boss Kim, thank you. Pare, kanina kilig lang tayo dito eh. Kilig lang. Huwag kayong mawawalan ng pag-asa lalo na kung alam niyo naman na ang ganda-ganda ng connection niyo. Diyos ko. Lagi mo nga nahuhuling nakatingin sa iyo eh.
Napapangiti mo ako kahit wala ka namang ginagawa. Parang di na to nakakatuwa, nahuhulog
Boss Kim.
na sa'yo.
1, 2, 3. Thank you, Stu. Thank you, Jace. Saglit lang ako. Sumilip lang ako sa live ngayon. Ay, no. Ano sabi ni AI? AI summary. Discussing heartbreaks and hope. Wala naman ako sinasabing heartbreak dito ah. Kupal to. Thank you, Jace. Wala ba tayong tropa ngayon? Paano kung magmahal ka Wala. Tanghaling-tanghali, ganyan agad. Ayaw niyo ba ng mga masasaya lang muna na mga what if? Kasi what if, di ba? What if konting push na lang, mapapasagot mo na. Ngayon ka pa ba susuko? Ngayong grabe na yung connection nyo? Boss naman.
What if I told you that I've fallen? And I like the way you say my name. My heart skips a beat when I hear you calling. And I like that you won't go away.
Paldo sila kanina. Deserve yan. Deserve ng mga tropa pips ko yan. Deserve ng mga tropa pips ko yan, pumaldo. Ba't namamaril? Chat lang kung may kailangan. At least nagchat-chat, di ba? Pakita mo kasi na pag chinat ka tapos may kailangan siya sa'yo, pakita mo na worth it ka. Pakita mo na sa susunod, hahanap-hanapin ka. Galingan mong lumandi, boss.
What if I told you that I've fallen? And I like the way you say my name.
Himala ngayon, kuya, di ka nananakit. Parang ayaw nyo. Who's that, guys? Parang you don't like the content. Parang you don't like the content if it's not masakit sa heart. Parang you don't like. Parang you don't like, guys, the content if it's not masakit sa heart. Do you like the what ifs relapse content kesa masaya lang? What do you mean masikip sa heart? It's not masikip sa heart. It's masakit sa heart. Bakit naman sisikip sa heart well, masikip lang naman sa heart if marami ng laman yun. So, di ka nagkasya.
Napapangiti mo ako kahit laka namang ginagawa. Parang di na to nakakatuwa. Nahuhulog na
I'm English hero halata. No, guys, don't. Puta na ubos. Yan nyo. Diyos ko. Iiwanan ko na ba? I don't know, bro. Depends. If you think may chance pa naman to make ayos the relationship. If you think may chance pa naman to make ayos the relationship, don't make iwan. Okay? Don't make iwan to the relationship. If you think it's Salamat Kitch 420 and period sa mga regalo. Super sobra ko appreciate mga gifts and regalo. Don't make what ifs winnable. Oh my God. Of course, guys, I don't make what ifs muna because it's like afternoon pa lang eh. So, why would I make what ifs? I'm not gonna make you lungkot. Okay, I'm not gonna make you lungkot, guys. Thank you, Lester, sa games. So obvious na ikaw palagi napapaglaruan.
Napapangiti mo ako kahit laka namang ginagawa. Parang di na to nakakatuwa. Nahuhulog na sa'yo.
I have a question. Go lang, make tanong lang, guys. Feel free to make tanong. Oh, thank you for the milk tea. No, it's not milk tea. It's taho. It's It's guys, what's the English of taho? What's the English of taho, guys? Thank you, it's Curty Rachel. What's the English of taho? Soya curd, soya bean curd. Thank you so much for the soya bean curd, Jane. I appreciate it. Can you like make it less sugar and add more pearls to the soya bean curd?
Napapangiti mo ako kahit laka namang ginagawa. Parang di na to nagkagat.
What was that? Hi, Boss Kim, you're back again. Buti pa ikaw you make balik to the live. Some people don't make balik to the relationship because they don't want it anymore eh. Why is my nose yellow? No, it's not yellow. Look, it's the same color as my skin. I have skin allergy, okay? Okay. Thank you for the hearts, Boss Kim. Thank you for making balik and showing love. Buti pa ikaw nagsushow ng love. Some people here sa chat, they don't show love. Di ko naman sila mabiblame because hindi rin naman sila nala-love. Wow, thank you for the 1 dozen donut. I could make pasalubong na to my mom and tita with that donut. Thank you so much, BFJ. What was that? Oh my god, what was that, guys? Mananakit ba to sa gato oras? Depends. Depends on my mood. Depends on my mood. Thank you, Kels. What? Hindi ko gagalawin ulo ko. What you mean hindi ko gagalawin ulo ko? Am I giving desperado? I think you're giving the desperado vibe. I think you're desperado halata. Lalo na when they don't make reply to your chat and you still double chat, and after they don't reply again, you still chat again and you make kulit to them all day long so they get irritated. I think you're desperado halata, boss. Thank you, Justin, for the ice cream. Thank you for the ice cream. Thank you. Thank you, Artworks. Am I waiting for nothing? Yes. Tangina, naubusan. Yes na lang daw ang sabi niya eh. What's maganda reply to ha ha ha? Block that person. Not worth it if they're not giving the same energy, and you're the one who's only, you know, making start the convo and making buhat the convo. Not worth it. Right? Thank you, engineer. Where the hell? The fuck? I love it, TikTok. It's just a joke. It just slipped into my fingers every time. It's just a joke, TikTok. It's just a joke. How do you know if he is really genuine? I don't know. Ask him. Why are you asking me? I'm not him. So when matatapos yung song, pagtapos na kayo. I think I'm gonna end. Oh, my girlfriend is here, guys. Say hi to my girlfriend. Wait lang. The comment is so fast. I can't even scroll. Say hi to my girlfriend, guys. Ayan, there's my girlfriend, Selena Thea. Say hi to my girlfriend. Wala na naman kayo nun. My God, guys. Oh, Lolo Palco is back. Buti pa si Lolo Palco bumabalik. Some people don't make balik because they're sawa na to you guys. Look at you guys. You're you ang arte. No, I don't make arte. This is like normal, bebe. Isang what if naman po. What if they're not naubos na gago. By the way, my girlfriend is watching. Can you relate? I think you can relate, right? You can relate to the watching part, but not to the girlfriend part. Kuya sa letrang A. Ito sinasabi ko. Binibigyan na tayo ng letra. Ano sabi niyo dito? Should I make asa to him na ba because his tropa is very botong-boto sa akin? No, I think no, because even though his tropa is very botong-boto sa iyo, but siya mismo is not, giving signs na he likes you very much and he is really boto sa iyo, I think you shouldn't make asa. It's too maaga pa to say, right? It's too maaga pa to say. So even though medyo full of kilig ng conversations, I think hindi pa enough yung oras para make asa.
Napapangiti mo
I'm not your jowa kaya halata. Uy, don't say bad words.
parang di na to nakakatuwa.
Guys, follow my bebe. Thank you, Ashing. Sayang di ka nakaabot sa pabagyo kanila 9. Oh, kanina paldo nga ang tropa kanine. But it's okay. They deserve to paldo. Papalduhin ko din kayo ng sakit.
Napapangiti mo ako kahit laka namang ginagawa.
Idol, ano masasabi mo kay Moira? Nakakatuwa yung content nila ng pare ko, ni Moira at ni Yulan. Kahapon, pinagtitripan ko rin yun si Moira. Kaso, I forgot to record all the clips so I can't edit. Sa letrang N naman, I can't read if it's not like Taglish Lah. Casual lang halata. Who was that accent? It's giving the Filipino accent, boss. It's giving the Sikam Ploy. It's giving the diabetes accent. Why does the song always paulit-ulit? Oh, you want me to change the song? It's like it's been my trademark song, but okay, if you're there to judge my choice of songs, okay, I will like make palit to it na. What song do you like? Do you like happy songs? I'll play happy songs for you because you're like somehow very demanding Okay guys? Quiz tayo. Question. Bakit hanggang ngayon, kahit alam mo naman na busy siya sa iba, hintay ka pa rin ng hintay ng reply niya? Class?
Ayoko na, niloko lang ako. Sabi mo
because she makes me feel kilig-kilig. I think that's not enough naman because lang she makes you feel kilig-kilig. Napagod na ako, gago. Mag-end muna ako. Nakakapagod din pala maging ganun, It's like my mind is not minding anymore and it's like minding himself. Oh my God. The lighting here is not giving. It's like against the world. Against the world. Wala ba tayong wala tayong tropa kasi naka-live eh. Mamaya na lang tayo babalagbag agad. Ay shit. Okay. Mamaya ulit tayo. Babalik tayong content mamaya. Pinasayo ko lang kayo. Bye-bye! I'm gonna make paalam muna because I make paalam naman before I end my live eh. So I'm gonna make paalam muna so that you will not feel like minulto kayo. You know what's minulto, right? Ginost. So you don't feel like minulto kayo. I make paalam. So say bye-bye muna, okay? Say bye-bye guys. Okay? We're not paasa. We're not paasa and we're not multo. Okay? So see you. I might late live mamaya, but I will make oras for you guys. Okay? Bye-bye chat. W chat.